So how did it go last night?
Fine.
What'd you talk about?
Mostly we talked about me. She kept asking me questions.
Really?
Yeah. I think maybe she's interested in me.
Okay.
Is that impossible? That a woman like her could be interested in me? Sharona?
I'm thinking. Talk about nerve. Kills the guy, then shows up at the funeral.
I don't think he killed anybody. Did you get a look at that ring he wears? Guy was a Green Beret.
So?
You saw the crime scene. It was a mess. That was a real struggle in there. It must have gone on for up to 3 minutes. How could a 65-year-old man fight off a former Green Beret?
He didn't want to die.
Good afternoon. Thanks for coming. We gather today on this sad day to say goodbye to our dear departed friend, Lou Pratt. That a man who committed his life to the principles of reason has been taken from us in such an unfair manner is irony in its most bitter form. Anyone who knew this tough, hard-nosed attorney knew Lou Pratt's most well-guarded secret. The man was a teddy bear. It is why many of you have come here today to say goodbye to a man who was always there for you. As an attorney, Lou Pratt was a man who always let you know where you stood.
Excuse me. Can I help you?
Most
Thanks,
of us
we're
preferred
fine.
to stand with him instead of against him.
Sir, please. Enough is enough.
About Lou was his belief in the concept of compromise.
Honest.
And heaven help the man
Could you
who
believe
ever
this guy?
forced Lou
He's
into
hacking
a
up a lung.
confrontation.
Guy's got his limits, right? That was mine.
Sorry for the
Just
fellow
couldn't
on the-
help myself.
On the other side.
Do you see how it's
All
started
that
before?
is a thing of the past. now.
Actually does feel pretty good.
Oh, no.
Come on. 2. Okay. Hey, you. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am 24/7.
You know what tomorrow is?
Thursday.
Tomorrow is my uncle's birthday. He would have been 90 years old.
Hey, you didn't mean to kill him.
He was coughing on my neck.
He was my hero.
I could feel the spray on the back of my neck.
It's jungle out there, disorder and confusion everywhere. No one seems to care. Well, I do. Hey, who's in charge here? It's jungle out